to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 17 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge. What's your favorite type of cuisine to cook at home?
What's your favorite type of cuisine to cook at home?
I love experimenting with different Middle Eastern flavors and spices.
I love experimenting with different Middle Eastern flavors and spices.
How do you feel about the use of autonomous vehicles on the roads?
How do you feel about the use of autonomous vehicles on the roads?
I think it has the potential to improve road safety and reduce traffic, but it's important to consider the ethical and legal implications.
I think it has the potential to improve road safety and reduce traffic, but it's important to consider the ethical and legal implications.
What's your favorite type of soup?
What's your favorite type of soup?
I love a good spicy tom yum soup.
I love a good spicy tom yum soup.
How do you feel about the use of data analytics in business?
How do you feel about the use of data analytics in business?
I think it can be a helpful tool for making informed decisions, but it's important to consider the ethical and privacy implications of collecting and using data.
I think it can be a helpful tool for making informed decisions, but it's important to consider the ethical and privacy implications of collecting and using data.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I love a good latte with oat milk.
I love a good latte with oat milk.
Have you ever attended a film festival?
Have you ever attended a film festival?
Yes, I once went to a festival where I saw some incredible independent films.
Yes, I once went to a festival where I saw some incredible independent films.
What's your favorite type of seafood?
What's your favorite type of seafood?
I love fresh grilled salmon.
I love fresh grilled salmon.
How do you feel about the role of technology in modern relationships?
How do you feel about the role of technology in modern relationships?
I think it's important to find a healthy balance between technology and face-to-face interactions.
I think it's important to find a healthy balance between technology and face-to-face interactions.
What's your opinion on the importance of diversity and inclusion in the workplace?
What's your opinion on the importance of diversity and inclusion in the workplace?
I think it's essential for promoting creativity and innovation, and for creating a more just and equitable society.
I think it's essential for promoting creativity and innovation, and for creating a more just and equitable society.
Have you ever tried any unusual cuisines?
Have you ever tried any unusual cuisines?
Yes, I once tried a dish made from fermented soybeans in Korea, and it was surprisingly tasty.
Yes, I once tried a dish made from fermented soybeans in Korea, and it was surprisingly tasty.
How do you like to challenge yourself creatively?
How do you like to challenge yourself creatively?
I enjoy trying new forms of art or writing, even if they feel outside of my comfort zone.
I enjoy trying new forms of art or writing, even if they feel outside of my comfort zone.
Have you ever attended a TED Talk or similar event?
Have you ever attended a TED Talk or similar event?
Yes, I once went to a conference where I got to hear from some incredible speakers and thought leaders.
Yes, I once went to a conference where I got to hear from some incredible speakers and thought leaders.
What's your opinion on the importance of emotional intelligence?
What's your opinion on the importance of emotional intelligence?
I think it's crucial for effective communication and building strong relationships.
I think it's crucial for effective communication and building strong relationships.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I love a good aged cheddar.
I love a good aged cheddar.
What's your opinion on the importance of empathy in healthcare?
What's your opinion on the importance of empathy in healthcare?
I think it's essential for providing compassionate and patient-centered care.
I think it's essential for providing compassionate and patient-centered care.
Have you ever taken a course or workshop that helped you develop a new skill?
Have you ever taken a course or workshop that helped you develop a new skill?
Yes, I once took a public speaking workshop that gave me the confidence to speak in front of large groups.
Yes, I once took a public speaking workshop that gave me the confidence to speak in front of large groups.
How do you like to stay informed about current events?
How do you like to stay informed about current events?
I usually read the news online or listen to podcasts.
I usually read the news online or listen to podcasts.
What's your favorite type of cookie?
What's your favorite type of cookie?
I love a classic chocolate chip cookie.
I love a classic chocolate chip cookie.
Have you ever attended a workshop or retreat focused on personal growth or wellness?
Have you ever attended a workshop or retreat focused on personal growth or wellness?
Yes, I once went to a mindfulness retreat that taught me new techniques for managing stress and anxiety.
Yes, I once went to a mindfulness retreat that taught me new techniques for managing stress and anxiety.
How do you feel about the use of virtual reality in entertainment and gaming?
How do you feel about the use of virtual reality in entertainment and gaming?
I think it can be a fun and immersive experience, but it's important to consider the potential psychological effects.
I think it can be a fun and immersive experience, but it's important to consider the potential psychological effects.
What's your opinion on the impact of social media on the music industry?
What's your opinion on the impact of social media on the music industry?
I think it has opened up new opportunities for independent artists, but it has also changed the way music is consumed and monetized.
I think it has opened up new opportunities for independent artists, but it has also changed the way music is consumed and monetized.
Have you ever participated in a public speaking event or competition?
Have you ever participated in a public speaking event or competition?
Yes, I once competed in a speech contest and it was a nerve-wracking but rewarding experience.
Yes, I once competed in a speech contest and it was a nerve-wracking but rewarding experience.
How do you like to challenge yourself physically?
How do you like to challenge yourself physically?
I enjoy trying new fitness activities or setting personal goals, like running a half marathon.
I enjoy trying new fitness activities or setting personal goals, like running a half marathon.
What's your favorite type of cheeseburger?
What's your favorite type of cheeseburger?
I love a classic cheeseburger with caramelized onions and garlic aioli.
I love a classic cheeseburger with caramelized onions and garlic aioli.
How do you feel about the influence of globalization on culture?
How do you feel about the influence of globalization on culture?
I think it's a complex issue with both positive and negative aspects.
I think it's a complex issue with both positive and negative aspects.
Have you ever had an experience that made you question your beliefs or values?
Have you ever had an experience that made you question your beliefs or values?
Yes, I once traveled to a country with vastly different social norms and it challenged my perspective on many things.
Yes, I once traveled to a country with vastly different social norms and it challenged my perspective on many things.
Have you ever attended a literary festival?
Have you ever attended a literary festival?
Yes, I once went to a festival where I got to meet some of my favorite authors.
Yes, I once went to a festival where I got to meet some of my favorite authors.
How do you like to keep yourself motivated and productive?
How do you like to keep yourself motivated and productive?
I find setting clear goals and working towards them helps me stay focused and motivated.
I find setting clear goals and working towards them helps me stay focused and motivated.
What's your favorite type of wine?
What's your favorite type of wine?
I enjoy a good Pinot Noir or Chardonnay.
I enjoy a good Pinot Noir or Chardonnay.
How do you feel about the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare?
How do you feel about the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare?
I think it has the potential to revolutionize the industry and improve patient outcomes, but it's important to consider the ethical implications.
I think it has the potential to revolutionize the industry and improve patient outcomes, but it's important to consider the ethical implications.
Have you ever visited a museum or gallery that completely took your breath away?
Have you ever visited a museum or gallery that completely took your breath away?
Yes, I once saw a collection of Impressionist paintings that left me in awe.
Yes, I once saw a collection of Impressionist paintings that left me in awe.
How do you feel about the use of genetically modified organisms in agriculture?
How do you feel about the use of genetically modified organisms in agriculture?
I think it's a controversial issue with both potential benefits and risks.
I think it's a controversial issue with both potential benefits and risks.
What's your favorite type of book to read for pleasure?
What's your favorite type of book to read for pleasure?
I enjoy a good mystery or suspense novel.
I enjoy a good mystery or suspense novel.
What's your opinion on the importance of financial literacy?
What's your opinion on the importance of financial literacy?
I think it's crucial for making informed decisions about money and managing personal finances.
I think it's crucial for making informed decisions about money and managing personal finances.
Have you ever taken a course that completely changed your life?
Have you ever taken a course that completely changed your life?
Yes, I once took a mindfulness meditation course that had a profound impact on my mental well-being.
Yes, I once took a mindfulness meditation course that had a profound impact on my mental well-being.
How do you like to challenge yourself intellectually?
How do you like to challenge yourself intellectually?
I enjoy learning about new subjects and engaging in thoughtful discussions with others.
I enjoy learning about new subjects and engaging in thoughtful discussions with others.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I love a classic BLT with avocado.
I love a classic BLT with avocado.
How do you feel about the use of renewable energy in the transportation industry?
How do you feel about the use of renewable energy in the transportation industry?
I think it's an important step towards reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change.
I think it's an important step towards reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change.
What's your opinion on the importance of work-life integration?
What's your opinion on the importance of work-life integration?
I believe it's important to find a balance between work and personal life to promote overall well-being and happiness.
I believe it's important to find a balance between work and personal life to promote overall well-being and happiness.
Have you ever participated in a group fitness class?
Have you ever participated in a group fitness class?
Yes, I once took a cycling class and found it to be a fun way to stay active.
Yes, I once took a cycling class and found it to be a fun way to stay active.
What's your favorite type of tea?
What's your favorite type of tea?
I love a good cup of Earl Grey.
I love a good cup of Earl Grey.
Have you ever traveled to a place that completely exceeded your expectations?
Have you ever traveled to a place that completely exceeded your expectations?
Yes, I once went to Portugal and was blown away by the beauty of the country and the warmth of its people.
Yes, I once went to Portugal and was blown away by the beauty of the country and the warmth of its people.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.